Hey guys, Rich here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Check it out. We got the Tour 2.0 and the Tour 1.0. The 1.0 is the early version, okay? And I'm not sure what may have changed later on, but this is one of the first ones that came off the assembly line. But we're going to talk about both of them real quick in this real quick video, show you some of the differences. Let's start up here in the front. So far, we've got the same style tire tread. So, yeah, same there and there. We got the same headlights, same blinkers on the front as the 1.0 and the 2.0. So the front suspension forks, headlight, everything is the same. Going down the side here, the frame looks like it's the same on the front half of the bike. We got the same style crank over there, same style chain guard back and forth. Moving to the back is where you start to see some differences. We got this two-piece frame set here, but this is the same as it is over there. But then things start to change a little bit. Even this right here is the same as over here. But then you get how this is made. This whole frame style here is completely different. You've got this part here, part of the seat post. This comes up a lot taller than what it does over there on the 1.0. And from there, you got some differences here in how it's designed. On the 1.0 over there, you got 3 tubes that go up the frame. Here you have 2, you got 1 tube because you got this one that comes across. And then you move on back. So what they did here is they raised this up. So this is much taller than the 1.0. And you can see that difference. Let me move over here. You can see that difference right here versus right here. You can see the frame here as it goes back. It's almost the same height as the fender, whereas down here the frame is quite a bit lower than where the wheel is even. So some big differences there. So this is much taller, but it also makes it a more comfortable ride. I would suspect one of my complaints on this one over here, when you put the premium seat, you sat so low, and I just didn't care for that because it was hard to pedal. Guys, they probably fixed that. We don't have the premium seat to put on here yet, but when you get the premium seat on here, because you're sitting taller, I think pedaling is going to be a lot more comfortable. So that's going to be really cool. Moving on back, it looks like the suspension from here to the springs back there, everything looks like it's the same, best I can tell right now. Of course, you don't have the battery sitting here like you do here. That's because you got this big honking battery back here. It does weigh 31 pounds. We took it out and weighed it. Fairly, other than the weight, it's fairly easy to take out. I mean, you've got to unlock the key to unlock it, but you also have this plug right here. And on the bottom of this plug, there's a button you have to push, and you got to pull that big, thick, heavy-duty plug out of the battery. And you got to wiggle it a little bit and kind of get it out, but you can get it out. And then you slide the battery out from the back. So yeah, this is probably the hardest part right here, just getting this plug in and out. Moving on back here, the back tires are similar. You can see on ours, we had the earlier version. We didn't have the hubcap versions or anything that they have now. The 2.0 does have the hubcap style there. Same rear fenders. Looks like the same basket style. Nope. So our early version over here, we have a flat bar style, where this one now has tubular. So I'm not sure the later model of the 1.0 may have had that. I don't know. Same style seat, same style backrest. They still connect the same way with that hardware down there. There you go, same thing. So it's got a little bit of adjustability. So you got some things that are similar or the same there. Let's jump up in the cockpit here. Here's some differences. Let me move over here so I can show you better. On the 1.0, we had this style button pad, which nobody really liked because it was hard to see. Yeah, but they changed it. So now you have a button pad that's much easier to see. The blinker function has moved down to a separate button down here. And then you have a horn. Horn is nice and loud. And then you have similar handle grips. Those are the same. We have aftermarket mirrors, but these are the same style mirrors that came with the other model. I don't care for those. In fact, most people say they don't like those mirrors, but they continued with that. That's fine. Easy to change out. Same style display on both, if you can see that. And looks like the same handlebar stem. So you got the same adjustability. Not much changes there. We're gonna move around. If I can squeeze between here, we're gonna move around to the back and show you a couple things back here real quick. The 1.0 on ours, the earlier version, our brake lights were up here on the fenders, and the blinkers are up here on the fenders. You got red lenses. But over here on this one, you have yellow lenses, and those are blinkers only because we have our brakes on. And so now we have a brake light down here, and your blinkers are up here in the amber color. You can get a good look at that battery right there. A good look at the suspension. It also looks almost the same as the suspension back there. Yeah, not much difference is there. But from sitting back here, you can see how much taller it is. Just look at the baskets. See how much taller the Tour 2.0 is compared to the 1.0. Length is about the same. We got the tires pretty much lined up, and you can see the tires are lined up, but the basket on the 2.0 does stick out a little further. So that's where you get some extra length, but it's just because that basket sticks out, because they give you a little more room up in here so you're not so tight. And they got room. I'm going to make an assumption here and say you can probably go ahead and mount the premium seat right there with that basket on there. It looks like you probably could, but we haven't tried it yet. So there you go, guys. Just some of the differences between the 1.0 and the 2.0. And yeah, it's really sweet. That color's grown on me. At first I wasn't sure about it, but now that we got everything on there, you got the, you know, the orange and you got the black accents, you know, from the other components. Not too bad, but it does come in the traditional gray as well. So if you want, you can pick one up in the orange or the gray for you to choose. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you appreciate it. Leave any comments down below. And until the next video drops, ride responsibly and ride safe.